Yo, what's up YouTube? My wrap got here today. So, in case already by the title, or right now you can't tell what we're doing, well, that sucks. No, I'm just kidding. We're wrapping the car today, and tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't know. I want to try to get this whole side, the whole driver's side done, and then depending how quick that goes, roof and hood maybe? Who knows? We might even be able to get the whole thing done. Probably not. I mean, prep just, the prep eats all the time, but I mean, that's how it comes out good. It's all just in the prep work. Alright, we just got done with the hatch. This whole side is done. We're about to do the side skirt. And then after side skirt, I want to do the bumper. And we're going to back it out, turn it around, and then we got the roof. This quarter panel, door, side skirt, and this little part. And then we also have the front bumper. All the Bondo fiberglass dried. Nice and smooth. All the scratches are filled. These ones are a little. These ones are still a little rough, but I think it's good. I'm gonna sand it all down. Did you see? Oh, that's not good. How's it like that?
Because we stepped on it.
Alright, we're spray painting the bumper. We're not wrapping it. So. We're getting spray paint at Walmart. That's all. We're playing split screen zombies. Taking a break. But we're going to be back at it soon. Alright, the bumper, we're actually kind of moving. This is already all glassed out. Oh my, it's already all glassed out and everything. Right now we just got to get this little section, get all those wrinkles out, and then just get it glassed out across this side. And then got to like actually stick it and then trim it. That's kind of flying. And then we got the door quarter panel, side skirt, and this little part above the door. And then once that, we're done. We're on the second coat of a black gloss spray paint, and then after this one dries, we're gonna wet sand it, and then do the third coat. And then if that looks good, then we're gonna do the clear coat. If not, we might do a fourth coat of black and then clear coat. But this is how it's looking so far. This is second coat. It's still wet. And then, yeah, after this, we're gonna wet sand it. All right, we got it wet sanded. I used grip tape from a skateboard at first, and it kind of scratched the shit out of it. But it's smooth now because I used actual sandpaper after. And then I'm gonna go in on the third coat and then let that dry. And while that dries, we're gonna get started on Noah's hood. So, yeah. All right, we got the third coat down. Got to let it dry. But so far, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I think I'm going to wet sand this again, though. And then if it's all black and even after the wet sanding, then I'll do clear coat. But if it's not even, I'll do another coat of black and then clear coat. But, yep. It's done. This is the finished product. I finished it the same night that we did the door. We did this whole side. I haven't really filmed since though. I'm gonna be editing today. I need to redo the side skirt. I trimmed it really bad. I have so much leftover wrap though. It's no big deal. But yeah.